Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel here. Today I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to unbox something. Look at the size of this flippin' box. Anyways, let's cut it open and see what we got. So, from the GoPro, this is the Max Lens Mod, which only took, I don't know how long to get one of these. To start with, you couldn't get one. After, like, right away when the camera was announced, you couldn't get one of these. Then, when they did get released, there was people on eBay buying them up and then sell them for 4 times the cost. And I'm like, I'm not paying that. They're $69 US. And they're asking for like $400 in some cases. It's just like even more than the camera. So anyways, now they're in stock, and there's a lot of them in stock. Screw you dudes on eBay. You're probably stuck with them like all your COVID toilet paper. Anyways, let's see how this goes here. Hey, if you like my channel, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, share it around, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. It is Tuesday, November 24th right now. Skiing starts on Thursday, this Thursday. There's a lot of snow. Even today, I think, let's look on the old webs here. So I'm gonna go on the snow forecast. So today at Whistler, I don't know if we can actually get this on here. It might be too bright. Anyways, today at Whistler, look at the amount of snow that's about to fall. So Thursday, I'm saying, could be epic powder day. First one of the season. And then on Friday night, it's supposed to snow another 20-something centimeters. So I think... yeah, Friday night, 22 centimeters, and it's going to be cold snow, so it's going to be epic, I think. All right, so let's open this. And then some junk, and a cloth, and anyways, all right. So this is what it looks like in its square form here. Oop. Now we're going to take our 9, and so what you do is you turn this off. How easy is it? You can't turn it. So the other trick I've seen is some people will pull it. So we're going to pull it, and there you go. So if you just get the corner up. So here, if you just get the corner up there and turn it, it should come off. It comes off. Put this one aside. Then take your back cover off. Line that up. So we've got some ends here. So we're just going to line it up. Stick it on there like so. And just... no, that didn't go on right. And there we go. One more turn. Max Lens Mod. Cool. Now let's see about how we set this thing up. So, here's the view of... that's hilarious. So I think now you have to go to... down. What's that button? Max Lens Mod enabled. Success. And here we go. Wow. Alright, this is super cool because it is like rotating 360 degrees and it's still staying Super cool. So, yeah, that's going to get used a lot. And that's it. That's the, wow. This is, so I'm going to show you my setup here. So let me record this. So here I got the Hero 8. This is my computer setup over here. I've got 3 monitors. And that's a computer over here in case somebody wants to come over. And then what I got here is another tripod, and my Sony a7 III on a tripod. So I'm going to take the camera right now and walk around. And the camera is now turning. Anyway, so this is my setup here. Got a monitor so I can see myself. And then it's not the cleanest place in the world. I got a light. I got another light over there. There's some skis, some gloves, some bikes, some coats. I got some eagle pictures. They're all for sale. I think this one right here might be one of the coolest ones I've ever. You do see the fisheye in this now that I'm getting onto some square edges. And this eagle here is 20 by 30 on acrylic, and it's for sale for $500. It's gorgeous. I took this about a month ago. Okay, so this is level right now. Now I'm gonna just turn it. And it's staying level. So now it's completely vertical. And the picture is staying. What do you think about this lens mod? Do you think it was worth the... So by the time it got here, it was 120 Canadian dollars from 69 US. Yeah. Let me know what you think about this. I'm not, right now, just watching it, I'm not totally sold on it. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.